Here come the parrots. Here they come. Hi, guys. I love you. I love you. Oh, my goodness. Hi, guys. There's so many of There are so many of them. They're wild parrots, and they're in the neighborhood. They fly by like every day. Oh my gosh. So the story goes that like many years ago, I don't know, decades probably ago, um, there was a pet store or something where some parrots were let loose accidentally, and somehow over the years they just they survived and procreated, and now there's dozens of them. There's this huge parrot community, and they're so cool. I love it when they fly over, and I always holler to them. I always holler, "Hi guys, I love you." And I mean, oh, there's a couple more. They tend to travel in little gaggles, but yet all one big flock, if you know what I mean. And so there may be more little groups of them coming through. Uh, it's awesome. But, you know, I love to holler to them every time. I love you. And they're parrots. I just think, oh, how awesome would it be? Like, if one, how awesome would it be one day for them to just go, I love you, and respond back and say that. It's, it's just a funny thought. I enjoy. But, anyways, I wanted to share the parrots with you. They're awesome. And have a beautiful day.